let's take a look at margin. Margin is a lot like padding. However, padding is inside of a border and margin is on the outside of a border. So carrying on from our last video, our last lesson, let's go ahead and add a margin of 30 pixels. And when I go back to my page and hit refresh, this isn't going to say dash. This is going to say 30, 30, 30, and 30. So refresh, and there we go. It's 30 all the way around, and it gives us 30 pixels all the way around. Now, we're going to see something weird here. Is it's also saying the margin is also all this area. That's because it's a block element. Let's go ahead and change this to display inline block. And you're going to see that it actually respects the margin 30 pixels all the way around. Let's go ahead, scroll to the bottom so we can see that it's taking effect on the bottom as well. And again, where it says styles here, you can just scroll on down and it will show you what it is. And just like padding, it doesn't have to be just margin 30 all the way across. What we could say is, let's copy this. And I just copied that whole line. Margin, so we've got top, right, bottom, and left. And now we can see 10, 15, 20, 25. That's exactly what we told it to do. Now, a really cool thing, if you ever want to center an element, is we can do margin. Let's say we wanted margin auto. And what this is going to do is automatically center this for us. And actually, I forgot a thing. It needs to be a block element. So this one needs to be a block element. And that's why it reserves that extra space all the way over here. That block element is reserving that space in case it needs to move around a little bit. So when I hit refresh, we have now centered our block element. And if you want to give it a top and bottom margin, we can always say margin dash top 50 pixels, margin bottom 50 pixels. And there's a shortcut way to do this as well. We could also, or alternatively say, margin top 50 pixels, right auto, bottom 50 pixels, left auto. And we can comment this out as well. Go back to our page and refresh, and that top margin's been applied, but it's still centered in the middle of our page.